okay to have multiple H1 tags in a web page? Hi, I'm Amit and I have seen a lot of people using H1 tag multiple times on one single page, and they often ask if it is okay, and my simple answer is no. You cannot have more than one H1 tag in any particular page. Reason being simple. Imagine a book as your web page and each chapters as one of the page. Now for any specific chapter, the name of the chapter is the most important thing. There is nothing in the whole chapter which can have more value than the heading of the chapter. H1 is something like the heading, the main heading. Now if you keep on adding multiple H1 tags in one single page, Google as well as a human being will find it difficult to understand what the page is exactly about. I have also seen people formatting the layout of their web page using the H tags, the H1, H2. They use it for the size. No, that's absolutely incorrect. For styling, you have your style sheets. H1 is a tag used for the primary heading. So guys, stop using it multiple times on one single page. It is recommended that every page should have only one H1 tag. I guess that's my 90 seconds. See you tomorrow.